guys, look, we got our 7-foot animated Victorian vampire from Home Depot, and we're going to do an unboxing and a setup and review video for you guys, and he's going to be awesome. All right, my hubby's going to be putting him together. I can't wait to see what it looks like out of the box. That is going to be so cool.
There's instructions here, plus it comes with instructions.
Yeah, there's instructions inside the box. And Frankie wants to say hi, everybody. Say hi, Frankie. Say Mommy and Daddy's putting together spooky stuff again, huh? Yeah. Oh, creepy. We got a new vampire, Frankie. And here's what it looks like when you open the box. Here he is. Ooh, scary. Oh, is he scary, Frankie? Is he scary? Yeah, a scary vampire.
It's latex.
Love it. Ah. So we got all the parts out of the box now. There's the boots. So this is the part for the legs. So now he's putting the pants on the legs. So there's his legs, and he is 7 feet tall. Now he's putting on the torso. So now he got all the wires connected, and he's putting the jacket on. All right, and now he's putting the arms on. Now he's putting on the creepy hands. Show me the hands, honey. Look. Those are some big hands. Frankie's he's like, what is that? What is that, Frankie? These some big old hands. Yeah. Frankie. And guys, here he is all put together. Look at those eyebrows. He is creepy. And now we're going to turn him on and let you see what he does.
That's creepy.
I am the embodiment of thy most profound fears. Prey upon the frail veil of humanity. In the mortal existence is but a fleeting specter in the face of mine immortality. Hast thou heard the whispers in the night? They speak to your impending doom. Blood I consume, my power grows stronger, and thy resistance doth fade. Now embrace the darkness within thee, for it is the darkness that shall set you free. The name alone shall chill your blood. Nosferatu. The dark caves, graves, and coffins of which I reside are filled themselves with the cursed earth from the fields of the Black Dead. Soon you shall lie there too.
Guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of my upcoming Halloween videos.